What's going on, guys? It's your boy Raul T with Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And as you can see here, I'm not feeling the best, but I'm soldiering on for you guys, okay? What we've got here, we've got a 2017 Mercedes E-Class, and we're going to go ahead and do like a mini engine, so basically oil filter and engine oil. I think I've done this in the past, but we're doing it again, okay? Because since it's here, and I might as well make a video of it, yeah, let's do it again. So anyway, 2017 Mercedes E-Class diesel, we're going to go ahead and do the oil change. Let's go, let's do it. The first thing what we're going to do is we are going to do the oil filter, which lives down there. Okay, so I mean, maybe you can get to it there, but I'm not going to mess about. I'm going to take this air filter box off, or part of it. Little Torx 20 there, another one there. Let's take them two off. Hopefully this air filter pipe box should come off, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, you need to take this top cover off. Then what you can do is you can gain access to the bottom clips. Okay, you'll get to it when you get there. You'll see it. It's dead easy. Right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off. In order to take that off, is there's a little clip there, as you can see here. Just push that back, pull it this way. That is, push it this way, and it comes out this way. Another one there on this side. All you need is a flat screwdriver. Just get your screwdriver in there and just give it a little pry. Boom, there we go. That should come out now, lift off. That is, it should lift up because it's got two little pipes there. There we have it, oil filter right there. Right, let's take that off. Alright guys, in order to take the oil filter cap off, all you need is a 27mm socket, ratchet extension. Makes your life a lot easier. You can probably do it with a spanner, but getting the spanner in there, a little bit of a headache. So I would recommend socket, ratchet, extension. Happy days. Let's take that off. Okay guys, sit rep, there's the new filter. Right, so what I would recommend you do is try it on the cap a few times so it goes on nice and easy. I have done that. Right, okay, and then what you do is we line this up first. Okay, line it up with the little cutout there, little hole there, two holes there, as you can see there. So one is for the actual main hole, and that little locator there, that needs to go on that little hole there. Okay, so it's going to go upwards like that, straight in, and there, boom, there we go, in we go. And then what we do is we put the make sure you put the seal on as well. Seals on, yep. And then what we do is we just put that over it, straight over, and just tighten it up. 25 Newton meters if you want to tighten it up 100% to the torque setting. I don't mess about. I just get the big ratchet, give it some with that. That's it, job done. Okay, put the oil filter cap back on, tighten it up and everything. That's back on there. All you do with that is boom, there we go. Boom, there we go. That's it. Put the top one back on, put these two screws back on. Then we'll take this cap off. Actually, I would recommend just leave it loose, okay? Because the last thing you want is you leave that cap off and some numpty comes and drops a little screw in there. Makes your day big time. Right, okay, so we'll put these two back on, put that little cover back on. Let's go. Okay guys, I've just sent the car up on the ramp. What we're going to do is we're going to take this big massive cover off. I've done this hundreds of times on Raul TV. You guys know the sketch. Basically 8mm screws or bolts, whatever you want to call them, all the way around these covers. Let's take them off and we'll go from there. Right, let's go. Okay guys, we've done this in the past before. So as you can see here, it's a plastic sump plug on this one. So you need a flat screwdriver. All it is, counterclockwise. You get the picture. That's going to come loose. Obviously oil going to come out and everything. I've got the oil pan ready. Right, give me 2 seconds, I'll get back at you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see there, it's dripping out, 99.9% drained out. So we're just going to go ahead and bang that back on there. Okay, get the flat screwdriver, and it just turns. 1 minute, I'll show you guys. Literally, you don't need to tighten it up. All you do is just go until it clicks. Alright, it doesn't click. Right, so until it comes to the stopper there. Once it gets to the stopper there, that's it, you're good to go. It's all tightened up. Happy days. Let's get all these covers back on. Right, and let's fill it up with oil. Let's go. Okay, guys, so this car doesn't have a dipstick, okay? I don't know, it's a 30, 40,000 pound car, right? Or 50,000 pound car, and it doesn't have a dipstick, okay? To check the oil. What a absolute stupid. Anyway, Mercedes, put a dipstick in, okay? What we need to do is obviously find out how much oil it takes, so you can check it on the system, on the dashboard and everything. I'm not going to mess about. I found out that it takes 6.8 litres, okay? 6.8 litres, so if you put 6.5 litres in, or nearly 7 litres, put about 7 litres in, you should be alright, should be good to go. Well, I would put 6.5 litres in, and then put a little bit more in, and that's it, because if you look at it, I bought 5 litres, 1 litre, 1 litre. So I'll put 6.5 litre, 6.8, something like that, roughly. It should be alright. Right, okay, let's get the oil in. Well, that's it, guys. All done and dusted. The Mercedes is out there. All done and dusted. The E-Class Mercedes 2017. Done the oil change on it. Dead easy. Okay, if you've got a ramp, it makes your life a lot easy. If you do it on the floor, not easy, because you have to take the bottom cover off, and it's not the easiest. As for the service reset, I think I've done it in the past on Raoul TV. Go check that out. Give me a like and thumbs up. If you haven't, it's all on the steering wheel. So basically, you press on the, turn the ignition on the left-hand side. There's a little arrow on the steering wheel. I'm in the UK, so sorry, on the right hand side. There's a little arrow. Press and hold that for 3 seconds, okay, and then you press that little black button on the steering wheel. Press that, then you'll go onto the system and you'll go into the Assist Plus, and then reset it that way. I'm pretty sure I've done a video. If I haven't done a video, I'm sorry, okay, but I'm pretty sure I have done a video. Go check that out, how to reset it. If not, there should be tons of them on YouTube. Just reset it, and yeah, that's it. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.